Welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WBHQ.com. This update is from Monday, the 9th of September, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Keep in mind as we get started, everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so I want to start by looking at the S&P 500, and I want to look at the VIX. So actually, let me go ahead and put my symbol grid up and off the screen just to make it a little bit easier for me to work on. And we're looking at today. Saying bye, 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 bye. I mean, look at that pullback, guys. We blew, just decimated that 54.73 level. We went right through the 382 fib line. Our market is closed about 5 minutes ago right now. Looking absolutely freaking horrible. Great fib that we redrew on S&P 500. If we look at the VIX, right? VIX is up a little bit today, about 239. We're sitting at 22.29 in a moderate medium range, which is this green range. If we get rid of this very high spike, you'll see we open up nicely on the screen. I mean, you can see it's very truncated because of what's happening, or scrunched because of what's happening with that spike up right here on VIX level. So not really a fan of. All right, so as we go over and look, let's look at the S&P 500 on a 5-minute chart for today. You can see we started off with a gap up, and it was like, yes, yes, yes. I mean, there was even a point this morning I watched. The NASDAQ was down a couple of percent. The S&P was down a couple of percent. And the Dow was up. It's like, wait, the Dow was up. Yeah, for like one flipping candle, right? We moved up and then said goodbye. And then the whole rest of the day, the S&P just fell apart, right? So that's our 5-minute. Let's go look at a weekly chart on the S&P 500. Let's see what's doing bigger picture. So this is our week bad. We're down 240 points, we'll call it, for the week. It puts us into a bullish neutral bias. We do have a lower high with what we have here. We have a higher low so far, but that doesn't mean anything. We go look at a monthly on the S&P 500. It doesn't look that bad. Last month was a big recovery. I mean, we're only 6 days into September here, and one of them was a holiday, right? No, yeah, well, actually, one of them, so 6 days into September, but only 4 of them were market days. I'm just looking over at my calendar, which I finally changed on the wall there. So let's go back, look at the daily chart, and let's look at where it goes to next. So from a downside standpoint, 53.85 and 53.23 are the next two downside targets. On the upside, 54.48 and 54.73 are the two upside targets. If we do blow up higher to this 55.25, we've got a great confluence there right now of the 8 and 21. I don't know if it's going to stay there or not, depending on how fast the movement takes place. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at our next update. Take care. See you soon. Bye.